Hi, this is the team at Easel, and we wanted to do a quick video about something you'll see when you carve G-code in Easel. And what happens is when I click on carve, you'll see this window that pops up that says importing G-code, and it'll just kind of give you some information. And then down here at the bottom, it'll say add header and footer to my G-code file. And by default, it's on. You can choose not to add changes to your G-code file. But you might be wondering, what is the header and footer that is added to the G-code? And essentially what that is at the start of the carve and at the end of your carve, Easel is adding a bit raise to the safety height. So when the carve starts, it raises the bit to the safety height and moves it over to the beginning of the carve. And when the carve ends, it raises the bit to the safety height and moves it back. And this is just really a safety measure. We recommend, the reason it's on by default is because it's, I think, just a better option overall, but it also just means that your bit is not going to be anywhere near your material as it raises at the beginning of the carve and at the end of the carve. So we recommend adding that, but certainly you don't have to do that. If you're looking for a little bit more information about safety height and origin safety height, we'll link our video on that to the description below. Have a wonderful day. Bye.
To learn more, head over to easel.com.